When you walk around the venue, you'll see hundreds of young people from all parts and all corners of the earth.
I am Shuar, indigenous from the rainforest of Ecuador.
As the team's lead for reforestation projects in Ghana.
As a smallholder farmer, I carry with me the dreams and voices of the smallholder farmers in Kenya.
Here to see the solution.
It's time for us to take stock of nature.
It's not just about how much carbon can we capture.
Ecosystem integrity is not only a matter of conservation.
If we don't do this, markets collapse.
It's a matter of survival.
It's about how can we promote biodiversity and human well-being.
I've been here with my media team to capture stories.
I'm with the GSC production, filming for Youth Bridge Foundation at COP28.
Because the more you talk about nature, the more you see nature, the more you experience nature, the more you get connected to nature.
For the South, adaptation and community resilience is the most important agenda.
We must work equally towards being nature positive.
Because nature is the best technology available to capture and store CO2. And if we have to put money on the table, this is for this solution.
Nature is one of the important topics that we have to integrate into these conferences.
It can deliver that mitigation while allowing us to maintain the food production we need to survive.
I have a dream.
Keep this conversation moving forward.
Let's try to organize in Brazil
information, knowledge, education.
I know that together, here in this room, we are the ideal team
to ensure that we do not go beyond the 1.5 degrees centigrades